Remedy Roofing provides complete roofing services for residential and commercial projects.
Founded in Katy, Texas in 2005, we have expanded across the state and have become one of the largest roofing companies in Texas.
No matter what roof type you have, asphalt shingle, metal, slate, synthetic, or clay tile, we can handle it. And with over 1,500 roofs that we repair or replace every year, we have the experience to get it done right.
What really sets Remedy Roofing apart is our dedication to quality and true craftsmanship. That is how we've earned countless awards and recognitions over the years.
Remedy is fully certified with all major manufacturers in the industry like CertainTeed and Owens Corning. On top of that, we are proud to be named Master Elite Contractor for GAF, which is a status only offered to the top 2% of roofing companies in the country.
What does that mean for all our customers?
It means that we can stand behind every project that we take on. Plus, we can not only offer the best roofing products, but also the best warranties available in the industry.
So, if your home has any roof issues, do not hesitate to reach out to us.
Our professional inspections are always free of charge and with no strings attached.
To schedule a free roof inspection, visit remedyroofing.com or call us at 888-HAIL-PRO. Remedy Roofing, quality workmanship without compromise.